How sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Firstly, I'd like to thank everybody for all your wishes. Personally, for singing so beautifully for me right now. Thank you. For messaging me. So many of you have sent your messages, you all have WhatsApped, and I've not been able to reply to everybody as yet, but thank you so much. And through you, members of the media, I'd like to thank all my well wishers for all your good wishes and blessings for my birthday. मैं अपने आपके दर्शकों को और मेरे शुभचिंतकों को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं दिल से आप सभी को धन्यवाद देती हूँ आपके शुभकामनाओं के लिए, आशीर्वाद के लिए और इतना सारा प्यार के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
आज का दिन कैसा बीता ये आपने नहीं बताया. आज आप शाम में मिल रही हैं तो आज बहुत कुछ हो चुका होगा. आज खास दिन पे
नहीं
आराध्या की गिफ्ट मिल चुका होगा आपको.
Of course. Well, obviously, I've spent my day with my family, with my loved ones, with my daughter, and my husband. Abhishek is home after really long. You all have been meeting him every day, way more often than me, with all the publicity and promotion of his movie. So it's been nice. It's been a nice family day, and sorry. You're busy shooting a selfie. Okay. And last night, all my friends and family were home and they brought in my birthday. And it was a very long night. And I haven't slept at all because early morning Aradhya wakes up and my schedule is on as every day. And so obviously I thought it would be more lovely to meet you all nicely, relaxedly in the evening, and also get the opportunity to thank everybody for all the wishes and love that's been pouring in all day. सुबह सुबह तो anticipation में आके मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ. तो शाम को it's really for just a wonderful experience all day. Thank you so much.
उम्र बढ़ रही है वैसे वैसे आप में और ज़्यादा निखार आ रहा है. बताना चाहेंगे?
My God, thank you. आप लोग भी बहुत ही मतलब आप लोगों का प्यार सभी के शुभकामनाएं सभी का दिल से इतना सारा प्यार मेरे तरफ. I mean, obviously, I'm in a very happy space. I'm blissed out. I think that really is all about it. It's all in the eyes of the beholder. So if you all are being sweet to me, thanks. Yes. Oh yes. That is wonderful to discover with each passing year, because I think last year we were here and I was saying it's all about the singing, and so last year was all about the singing. That continues with more and more clarity. So that's really sweet where she sings with full aplomb. But having said that, she was already recognizing. Like we say, between October and November, there are so many birthdays. So she recognizes more and more. And yeah, she did know it's my birthday, and there were all the flowers coming in advance. So, and she also knows her birthday is coming. So, of course, yesterday at one point when there was this huge bouquet of flowers, but she responds more excitedly to the bigger bouquet of balloons that came. So she was like, and whose birthday? And whose birthday? I was like, you tell me. So for a second, she looked at the balloon. She said, balloons for me, but it's Mama's birthday. So it was like really adorable. She recognized it. It's really sweet. जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये साल मेरे लिए एक और it's well, I've always worked in cinema, and I really don't even feel the time out I have taken, because I have been albeit in advertising, I have been in studios, I have been facing cameras, but yes, I'm very, very excited to be telling a story on celluloid with a director. This year is going to be a lot of work for me, and for me, personal and professional is always going to be intertwined. So it's going to be a lot of work for me personally and professionally. So definitely a very, very busy year ahead. And I thank you all for just being so wonderful and really not having made me at any point in time feel that probably, I've just not felt that there's ever been any time out or a break at all. So thank you all for all your love and support and enthusiasm. And I will work hard to give my best to whatever I take on, as I always have. And I hope it entertains you all and keeps you all happy.
Today's best
The efforts will be sincere and earnest as always.
What's the
Today's
best
best
birthday
birthday
gift that I've got today? Because we heard that Abhishek has got something really special for you.
Acha, has he been sitting and having little tete-a-tetes with you all? Well, gifts and things are not something that we ever talk about, and that has never defined our relationship either. So that's something you have heard every year, and that remains consistent in our relationship. But at the risk of sounding like I'm stuck on a groove, but I think every little aspect of Aradhya's surprises is a pleasure for me, and I'm always going to be blissed out on that, I think, every time you'll talk to me.